Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater, already mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking, how? Everybody's joking. Now the clock's run out, time's up, over, blah. Snap back to reality. There goes gravity. There goes rabbit. He choked, he's so mad, but he won't give up that easy, no, he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes, it don't matter. He's dope, he knows that, but he will be so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when he's back to the lab again. This old rap shit, better go back to this moment and hope it don't pass. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you want it, you better never let it go. You only get a one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, yo. Lose yourself in the music. The moment you want it, you better never let it go. You only get a one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, yo. You better. His soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the take. Make me king as we move toward a new world. All life is boring, the superstar is supposed to postpone. It all means all that the moment grows hotter. He knows it's all over, he knows it's all over. The coast to coast shows, as long as the globe trotter. Only roads, God only knows his own father. From home he's no father, he goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more, he's cold product. They moved on to the next schmo who flows. He knows Dove and so nada, and so the soap opera is told. It unfolds, I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on, da-dum, da-dum, da-da-da-da. Yourself in the music. The moment you want it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, not miss your chance to go. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, yo. Yourself in the music. The moment you want it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, not miss your chance to go. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, yo. You better. No more games, I'ma change what you call rage. And this motherfucking roof on like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out off stage. I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cypher. Best believe somebody's playing the pie piper. On the playing the side, amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5. And I can't provide the right type of life for my family. Cause man, these goddamn food stamps don't buy diapers. And there's no movie, there's no Mackay Pfeiffer. This is my life and these times are so hard. And it's getting even harder trying to feed and water my seed. Plus teeter-totter, caught up between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on her. Too much for me to wanna stay in my spot. Another day of monotony's gotten me